Because Dixie and Bianca, one of you will stay, and one of you will go.
Play ka, dinosaur, anak. Paano ba ang playing dinosaur? Yes. Smile. Paano ang play ng dinosaur, Tim? Can you show me? Huh? Can you show me how to play dinosaur? Wow! Kanta ka nga, anak ng kwan. Hey Diddle Diddle. Oh, sige.
Daddy, huwag ikatinan.
Oh, sige.
Nakatakad yung opo. Daddy, tutulab si Lola katakad yung opo mo. Daddy, tutulab si Naman Mivicun.
Yay!